Hello children, welcome to the chemistry class of standard term. Today's portion is corrosion. That is, corrosion is the last portion of that unit. When we keep some iron articles outside, it will get a brown coating of its outside. That is, Fe2O3 is formed. When iron is kept outside, Fe2O3 is formed. That is why it is having a brown coating like that. This is called rust. Similarly, some copper objects, when kept outside, it will have a greenish coating. That is also corrosion of copper. Then iron articles will get a brownish coating of rust. That is called Fe2O3 2H2O. That is called hydrated ferric oxide. Then silver articles, when kept outside, it will get a black coating of silver sulfide, like that. So this corrosion is the chemical decay of a metal is called corrosion. Corrosion causes a lot of damage to bridges, then car bodies, then so many, that is in our home also so many iron articles get corroded, and then we have to replace that some furniture items, like that. Always corrosion leads to damage. We have to prevent that corrosion by protecting that metal from its contact with the surroundings. That is why we are painting the grills, and also we are painting the gate grills and furniture in our home in order to protect that metal from corrosion. And so many methods are there for protecting a thing from corrosion. That is, we can painting, oiling, applying oil, applying paint, then tin coating, then galvanization. Galvanization is coating iron with zinc metal. Coating of zinc over iron is called galvanization. That also is a protection from corrosion. Then electroplating. The easily corroding iron can be protected by having a coating of nickel, like that, nickel metal, using electricity. That process is called electroplating. And these are the different techniques used for protecting a metal from corrosion. So corrosion is a process that we are daily, in our daily life situation, we are seeing the process called corrosion, and we are also knowingly or unknowingly we are taking a lot of measures to prevent corrosion. We are once in a year we are painting our gate and grills in our home, that is for protecting that metal. So knowingly or unknowingly we are using this chemical process in our day-to-day life situations. Then we can find out some other situations in which where we are using the techniques called prevention of corrosion, like that. Then what is corrosion is a question that we can expect from this topic. That is the chemical decay of a metal by the action of air, moisture or other chemicals is called corrosion. That is the answer for that question. Then what are the different techniques that we can adopt to prevent corrosion? That's a usual question that is we are getting for the examination. That is, we can list out some points. They are painting, oiling, applying a coating of tin over iron, or galvanization, and then electroplating. All these are the different techniques that we can adopt to prevent corrosion. Next portion we would like to share is rancidity. That is, usually children like chips, you know that. Because of that, so many different types of chips are available nowadays. Kurkure, Lay's, then potato chips, and so many names are also they have given in order to attract the children. And this is also Murkka. I think it's a Murkka. Then this is kept inside container, plastic plastic cover. Here this will last for 1 month or 2 months. There will not be any change in the taste for that muruk or chips. If what is the reason for that? Because when it is kept inside, the air inside is evacuated and they fill nitrogen, which will not react with the food items kept inside. That is, when air is there, it will air contain oxygen. You know that oxygen will gradually oxidize the chips or the fry items kept. That is why, in order to avoid that process called oxidation, they are evacuating that. They are squeezing out all the air from inside the cover, and they fill the nitrogen. So it will be always crispy. It will be forever, and it will last for a long period of time. Then there is no change in taste like that. But when we keep some fry items like chips outside, then after 1 or 2 days, when we taste it, it is having a rancid. It will become rancid. That is the chemical word used. Then കനച്ചു പോവുക എന്നൊക്കെ പറയും. അതായത് അതിന് ഒരു there is a change in the taste, and that is due to the oxidation taking place here. That oxidation, in order to prevent that oxidation, it is kept in a very beautiful containers that is having no air inside. That is why that cover itself is very crispy, and you might have seen that. That is the reason for that. Then, in order to prevent corrosion, we have already seen so many methods, and in order to prevent the rancidity of the food items that we are using in different packets, there also the method used is the oxidation of a substance is prevented. That is the method used. That first unit is over, and I think all the points discussed in these classes is very clear to you. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Then we will start the next unit in the next video. Then we have almost discussed different types of questions that is asking for the examination in different videos, and you go through all the videos and you will get so many questions that we have already discussed, and then try to score good marks in the unit test papers also. Then thank you. Hari Om.